is our typical linear programming questions. They give you certain lines, and then there is a region fulfill the system of inequality. We are going to find out which feasible point which will give us the least value, and then so we just roughly draw the graph. Better prepare more space because we can't predict which part it is. X is between 0 and 2, so we have a boundary for x. We can only choose those points with x is between 0 and 2. So we can choose this region at this moment. And then the second requirement, 2x plus y plus 3 is larger or equal to 0. Try to change it to slope-intercept form for easy drawing. That's why we know that the y-intercept is -3, while the slope is -2. So it starts from -3 here. And it's going down quite quickly. The slope is 2. And the requirement is we are finding those points higher than this limit. Higher, that means above. We need to find out the above region. So now, the bottom part is now not feasible. We can only choose within this trapezium. The last constraint, x plus y plus 1 less than equal to 0. So y is less than or equal to negative x minus 1. We are drawing this line with y-intercept -1 and then going down slower than the original line because the slope is -1. We have this line. In this case, we are talking about any point below this limit. So we are searching for the below, downward direction. The above part is not feasible now. We can only choose this trapezium. We can choose all the xy combination within this region, and we are going to find out which point will give us least value for this function. That is very important to analyze the function 4x and positive 3y. Since both coefficient is positive, so we are seeking for least x and least y at the same time. So compare these 2 points. Of course, I will choose this point only because with the same x, it gives us less y. Similar reason, I may choose this point. Only 2 possibilities will give us the least value. The first one is 0, -3. The second one is this point. I only know x coordinate is 2. The corresponding y coordinate should lie on this line. That means this line. So 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to -2x minus 3. When x equal to 2, y equal to -7. So this is -7. 4x plus 3y plus k. Even though we don't know what is k at this moment, but we are separating to 2 cases. Case 1, 0, -3. Then the value will equal to 4 times 0 plus 3 times -3, which is -9 plus k. The second case, we are talking about when x equal to 2, y equal to -7. Even though we have slightly higher x, but we have least value of y. So the value will equal to 4 times 2 plus 3 times -7 plus k. We get -13 plus k. So compare these two values. Obviously, this one is least. With the same value of k, this one subtract more. So this is not the case to give least value. We focus here, and they tell you that the least value is 24. That's why k is equal to 37. The key point is think about what is favorable outcome for the xy. In order to get the least value in this case, it will greatly reduce your time spent in your calculation.